That's this. I want to eat and this one. My sister wants it. Because this waffle is Starbucks special anyway. I found this. So this one is the last color. The rest is all green. The green one is the alien. But I got this. So I also just found like this thing. Like it's. And we just found some sparklers. My sister's going crazy over some water bottles. You have a water bottle already? Oh my god. Okay, no, banyak. I also just found those things and I found this one. Like, but I cannot feel it. You cannot. This is one also, but this is this one. This is one, this one. This is like the hippo and this is the pen. This is the... But this is Starbucks fishy. Okay, wait, I just look here and there's like another fishy. Oh, this actually feels super good, guys. This feels so good. You can also play this today. This is so nice. I would recommend this if you're a boy. It's nice. I like this. Over here there's like nothing that is like squishy, but there is this thingy over here. And there's this gear control one. And there's like a few over here. This like super cute. Over here, that's all I see, the squishy. But over here, there's another squishy one. Let me feel it. Oh, it feels good. Oh, this feels so good. It's like so nice. So I'll actually get this one. That's nice. I love it.